Hi everyone, in this video I will be trying out some base makeup products from Blue Heaven. These are newly launched products from Blue Heaven that I haven't tried before and they are extremely affordable, so let's get started. The first product that I will be using is the Blue Heaven Prep and Fix Primer and Setting Spray. This can be used as a primer and as a setting spray. Before anything, I want to let you know that almost all the products I used in today's video from Blue Heaven had fragrance. Most of the products had a very rosy fragrance, but it did fade after application. The setting spray has aloe vera and it's supposed to provide a lightweight, non-greasy look. The packaging was really good and this spray can be used for prepping your skin. If you have a normal skin type, it gives a nice glow to your skin. It's very much like the affordable version of the MAC Fix Plus. After this, I have the Blue Heaven Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Coral Blush. It comes in 7 shades. It has a very hydrating, easy to blend, lightweight formula. It's extremely pigmented. You can use it on your eyes, cheeks and lips. The finish is very glowy and glassy. You can blend it with your fingers, and if you want to shear it out, you can use a damp sponge. This has mango butter and apricot oil in the formula. That's why it's extremely blendable and hydrating. It will work on all skin types, but it's best suited for dry skin. You can also wear it without any makeup. I love the packaging of all the products. It was giving me ColourPop vibes. If you have dusky or deep skin tone, I will highly recommend this shade, which is Coral Blush. After this, I have the Blue Heaven Fresh and Flawless Hydrating Skin Tint, and this one is in the shade Honey. This claims to have buildable coverage, blur imperfections, create even skin tone, and keep skin hydrated. This also has hyaluronic acid and SPF of 25. What I observed is that the coverage is light to medium. It has fragrance, it's very blendable. Make sure you shake the bottle before pumping out the product. The shade I got was a little bit light for me, but it does oxidize a bit and it did match my chest. It definitely is lightweight. The finish is dewy, but it adheres to your skin really well and doesn't move a lot. It's available in 7 shades. The shade Honey has a golden yellow undertone. It did make my skin tone even, but it wasn't able to cover my hyperpigmentation. I did apply a second layer in my T-zone, but it didn't do much for my skin. A really surprising thing about this foundation, especially if you consider the price, is that it didn't settle in my smile lines. Even after 3 hours of application, some high-end foundations do settle in my smile lines, but this one really gave me a second skin kind of finish and my skin looked super fresh the entire time I was wearing this. I just wish that they expand their shade range. Right now they have 7 shades, but I really wish that they add more shades for more deeper skin tones and more lighter skin tones too. After this, I have the Blue Heaven Strobe and Shape Highlighter and Contour Duo Stick. This one is in the shade Magnificent Deep and it's for medium to dusky skin tone. This product is available in 2 shades. The other one is Fairy Light, which is for light to medium skin tone. This one is another favorite of mine. It's dual-ended. On one side you get a contouring shade and on the other side you get a highlighting shade. The highlighting shade is a cream highlighter. It has poly particles, so it cannot be used under your eyes. It can be used for strobing, but definitely avoid using it under your eyes. Just place it on the high points of your face. The contour shade is dark enough for deeper and dusky skin tone. The cherry on top for this product is the blendability. The highlighter and the contour blends really well. You can use a brush, a makeup sponge, or simply your fingers to blend in the product. Both the sides have an angled tip and that makes the application very easy. The highlighter is a bit silvery, so you need to use the least amount and you can blend it out so it will not wash you out. After this, I have the Blue Heaven Erase and Enhance Full Coverage Concealer Pen. This one is in the shade Cream and it's available in 6 different shades, out of which 2 are correctors, Peach and Yellow. The brand claims that the concealer has high coverage, is water resistant, no creasing or cakey finish, is super blendable and long lasting. Now, according to me, this concealer has a medium coverage, but it's not very buildable. You have to apply the exact amount you need in one go. Definitely do not blend it in with a sponge. Always use a concealer brush. It sets quickly, so you have to be fast with it. It's got a demi-matte finish. It definitely doesn't crease. I applied it all around my mouth, but it didn't settle in my smile lines. There was a little bit of creasing on my under eyes, but all the concealers that I've tried till date crease on my under eyes, so that's not a problem for me. The only problem with this concealer is that it clings to dry patches or texture on your skin. If you're watching this video in 4K, you will notice slight patchiness on the right side of my mouth. Your right side, not my right side. I had a few bumps there and the concealer did cling to them. Overall, it was a good product, but your skin type will decide whether it will work for you or not. I like using it as an eyeshadow base, but not as a concealer. And finally, for my base, I have the Blue Heaven Flawless Finish Powder in Natural. This has a shine controlling lightweight formula. I use the tiniest amount of this powder on my under eyes to get rid of the extra shine. This has no coverage, it just mattifies the area where you apply it. It's not drying, so you can use it even if you have dry skin, but for me this is just another setting powder. There is nothing very interesting about this powder. After this, I am going to do my eye makeup. First, I'm using the concealer as an eyeshadow base. This concealer works really good as an eyeshadow base, and the pen packaging of this product also makes it really easy to apply on your eyelid. Then I'm using a couple of shades from the Huda Beauty Naughty Nude eyeshadow palette and I'm applying it in the crease and outer corner. I'm going to make this part as short as possible because the video was mainly about the Blue Heaven products, especially their base products, their new launches, but my eye makeup turned out to be really gorgeous today, so I want to show you how I did it and what products I used. After using the deeper shades into my crease, I'm just going to run them on my lower lash line. After this, I'm going to do my eyeliner. I also purchased this Blue Heaven eyeliner pen in extreme black. I wasn't able to get a precise application. The finish was matte and it was very pigmented, but the application can be very difficult if you use this product, so I will definitely not recommend this. After this, I am going to take a lighter matte shade from the Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette and applying it on the inner 2/3 of my eyelid. I'm also blending it in with the dark shades in my crease. So this is a matte eyeshadow look. After this, I am going to set this makeup in place using the same setting spray that I used for priming my face. And then I'm going to pop on some false eyelashes from Red Cherry. For my lips, I will be using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in shade 58 and the Too Faced Lip Injections Extreme Gloss. I went for glossy lips because my eyes are super matte. And I'm going to use the Too Faced Lip Injections as a topper. And that's it for the video. This is the completed look. Overall, I love the products. All the Blue Heaven products that I used today were cruelty free and they were made in India. I liked all the base products except the concealer. I loved the setting spray, lip and cheek tint, contour and highlighting stick, and the skin tint. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Hope you find it helpful. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.